What days do you work?
I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't work Wednesday.
Wow, that is a nice schedule.
Yeah, but I sometimes work on Saturday. What about you?
I work Monday to Friday. I never work on Saturday or Sunday.
What do you do on the weekend?
I work in my garden. When do you study on the weekend?
I study on Saturday morning.
Really? I never study on Saturday.
When do you study?
I only study on Sunday night.
Oh, I never study on Sunday. Sunday is my fun day.
What days do you have English class?
I have class on Monday and Thursday.
When do you have math class?
I have math class every day.
What about history class?
I have history class on Wednesday.
Wow, you have a busy schedule.
I know. When do you play soccer?
I play on Tuesday and Friday nights.
Nice. I only play on the weekends.
Really? Can I play with you?
Yes, we play on Saturday and Sunday at the park at 10.
Great! See you this weekend.
See you then.
What does your mom do?
She is a chef at a restaurant.
Cool! That means she's a good cook.
Yes, she is a great cook.
Where does she work?
She works at an Italian restaurant.
What is your dad like?
He is funny. He's very friendly.
What does he look like?
He is tall and big.
How old is he?
He is 47.
Who are your friends?
Betty, Jason, and Laura.
Are they students?
Yes, they are. They all study business.
Are they from around here?
No, they are all from different cities.
Are we there yet?
No, but we are close, I think.
How close are we?
We are 10, maybe 20 minutes away.
What? 20 minutes? Are we lost?
No, we are not lost. Trust me.
Did you call me?
Yes, I called you. Can you help me today?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Can you take me to school?
Okay. I can pick you up at 10.
Great. See you then.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sue.
Do you talk to her every day?
Yes, I see her at school. I always meet her for lunch.
Oh, why do you like her?
She is nice and funny. She makes me laugh.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Wilson. I like him a lot.
Why do you like him?
Well, he is nice, and he always helps me with my homework.
He sounds nice.
He is. We all love him.
Do you have my keys?
No, I put them on the table.
Great. I see them. What about my wallet?
I think you set it on the counter.
Really? I don't see it.
Well, I'll help you. One of us will find it.
Is this your book?
Yes, that is my book.
And is this your pencil?
No, that is not my pencil. It belongs to my friend.
What about these glasses?
I think those glasses belong to the teacher.
Okay, let's leave them here. I like these jeans.
I like those too.
Do you like this shirt?
No, but I like that shirt.
The blue one?
No, the green one.
I don't like that color.
Really? I like it.
How much is this coffee maker?
That is $10.
And how much are these plates?
Those are $5 each.
What about these spoons?
Those spoons are $1 each.
I'll take them.
Sold.
I don't like this table.
Why? What is wrong with it?
It is small, and these chairs are not comfortable.
Okay. Where do you want to sit?
Let's sit at that table over there.
Okay. But those chairs look small too.
Maybe, but the table is very big.
Okay. Let's change tables.